Alright, first thing that I'm planning on doing today is the kitchen countertops. And they're going to go right here along the edge of the wall. And then there's going to be a little place right here that juts out, that's right next to the dinette with a bar. And I'll have kitchen cabinets running atop over the windows right here. So yeah, I don't talk about this a lot in my videos, but I thought I should bring it up. And that's the topic of that little subscription button underneath the title of this video. I don't usually make it a point to tell you to subscribe, but it would mean the world to me if you did. I just want to thank you for your consideration and supporting my channel. Thank you for those who are subscribed and who are subscribing, and thank you for being the best. Now back to the video. So with the kitchens comes a special challenge because I have to create not only the countertops that go along the bottom, but also the floating cabinets, which will go above the countertops and are going to be attached to just the wall, and they'll be floating. So I'll have to figure out a way to construct those, but for now we're going to do the cabinets, and I'll explain how that works. So the cabinets are about 1.5 inches tall by 1.25 inches deep, and what I'm planning on doing to match the height and the depth of the cabinets is this. I'm planning on gluing a baseboard 1.5 inches up against the wall so that I have some place to lay the popsicle sticks flat, because they're going to be running like this. And then I'll just build out a small wall 1.5 inches tall. So that's how I'll put the popsicle sticks on. So yeah, and I bet I'm gonna be applying the same technique for the cabinets, except I'll just have 2 baseboards and 1 wall. But I still haven't figured that part out. So yeah, we'll get into a time lapse of me building out these bottom cabinets and this kind of bar area right here, and I'll get to the point where I'll have the bar actually sitting up just a tiny bit higher than the rest of the countertops. But yeah, let's get into that in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so now that I have the skeleton of the countertops done, what I think I'll do now is cover them with popsicle sticks, because I think getting on to that later will be kind of annoying. So I'll do it now, and we'll bump out another time lapse. So yeah, let's do that in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so I've changed the position of the house just because I thought you guys might have gotten bored looking at the same view the whole time. So I got done with the countertops and have them all sanded. So what I'll do for the cabinets is I'm gonna create 2 walls. I'll build them out right here, but one of them is gonna go on the wall right up against it, glue to the wall above the countertops, and this L shape right there. I'll show up on screen what that looks like in the SketchUp model. That L shape right there, and then I'll have popsicle sticks running this way like I have on the countertops, underneath and above, and then where it stops or how far it goes out, I'll have another wall and then cover the whole thing with popsicle sticks. So yeah, it'll make sense as the time lapse goes on. So yeah, let's do that in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so now that I have the 2 cabinets, these 2 right here, one's longer and the other one's shorter, so they can make this L shape, and these will go right above the window right here in this L shape in the kitchen corner. What I've realized while I made these was that since I don't have any part of the house walled up yet, putting these on, attaching these to the walls would make it really hard for me to actually wall up the house underneath. So what I'm gonna do is hold on to these. After I wall up the house, I'll attach them to the kitchen corner over there, and yeah, that's my plan. And since this video is getting pretty long anyway, I think I'll have to do the fireplace in a separate video, the next video probably. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys later.